Today I'm going to show you how to order a Forex VPS. A Forex VPS is beneficial for all traders as it will allow you to run your MetaTrader platform and trading robot at all times even when your local computer is turned off. First, let's go to NewYorkCityServers.com and click the Forex VPS section at the top. Next, we will see all available VPS plans. We will use the Easy VPS configuration tool to see which VPS plan is best for us. In this case, we will order the basic VPS plan. After clicking the Order Now button, we will be directed to the order form. Next, select the VPS location and broker you will be using. NYC servers will automatically install the MetaTrader platforms from our broker on to our VPS. Next, we'll click the Continue button and see a review of our order and area to input a promo code. Let's enter code SAVE50 to save 50% on our first invoice. After the code has been entered, click the Checkout button. On the final page, we will enter our information and select which payment method we would like to use. Once we have entered our details, click the Complete Order button, and we will be directed to complete payment. After the payment is completed, we will receive an email from NYC servers with our VPS details. If you have any questions or need assistance with completing your order, please contact us using the live chat on our website.